Hi, I'm Jason Wagner, the Engineering Manager here at eSwitch, and today we're going to introduce our newest tact switch, the TL3275. This surface mount tact switch has multiple LED color options including blue, green, red, yellow, and white, as well as several bi-color options, and it can be non-illuminated if that's what you require. The TL3275 measures 6.4 by 3.4 millimeters and features a travel of 0.2 millimeters. The actuator for this tact switch measures 3.9 millimeters and requires a minimum of 160 gram forces to actuate. Silver or gold-plated contacts are available, as well as tape and reel packaging for a convenient automated assembly. The TL3275 has an electrical rating of 50 milliamps at 12 volts DC and an impressive electrical life of 100,000 cycles. All in all, this versatile little tact switch is suitable for numerous industries and product applications. If you want to learn more about eSwitch products, head on over to e-switch.com. Thank you for watching.